Okay, so we're going to talk about the Adobe Acrobat app that we use to upload client workouts. We upload them to Adobe Acrobat, and it's a cloud-based format. And the reason that we use this is because it syncs up with an app on our iPad so that we can view and edit the client workouts on the facility training floor. So if you haven't watched the Program Design Tool walkthrough or the Dropbox video, you need to go and watch those first before you come to this. This is going to be a real quick video, but we are going to use the Program Design Tool and we are going to use the Dropbox. And so if you don't know about those yet, you need to watch those videos first before this one. So in order to have the login information here, I am going to need to grab my TFW account access information. That's on the Dropbox video. If you don't know how to get to that, go ahead and watch that. And right here, it tells me how I get to the website. And there's my username and there's my password. I'm going to plug those in. Okay, so taking a look at Adobe Acrobat, it doesn't look that much different than Dropbox. It is a cloud format, so it's a file folder system that saves everything online in a cloud that can be accessed from multiple computers and devices. So what we're going to do real quick is just learn how we upload files. The real big thing to understand is that the only files we put on this system are PDF files. Okay, PDF files can be made through Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel, but you do have to save them as a PDF file. So if I go into my folder, here are all my one-on-one clients. Predominantly one-on-one clients are on this system. Okay, so if we go to John, I can roll over it here, and it's going to show me a little quick preview of his program. I have all his old finished programs over here. I'm going to click on it. Okay. Now, since I'm on a desktop computer, I don't actually have the tools that I do on the iPad. The iPad app actually has tools that let me make all of these marks. But right now, his program is complete. You can see all the marks that I made using the iPad. I can make little check marks. I can type things in. And we'll go over that later, but it's just good to know that I can upload files from the computer to this cloud format, but once they're on the cloud, I can't edit them and make markings on them like this unless I'm using the iPad. That's something that only the iPad does. But when I'm working on the computer to build my program, it's just much easier to just throw it up here on the cloud like this than having to transfer it from Dropbox over to Adobe actually on the iPad. It's a little more user-friendly here. So I suggest when you save your Program Design Tool file for that client, you upload it here, and we're going to talk about how to do that. So I'm going to go back home. Okay, so let's say that I just finished a Program Design Tool for a client. I just built their program. What I'm going to do is I'm going to upload it. I'm going to go to here. I'm going to click on the cloud. This means upload a file. So when you're on this screen, you're going to go into where everything is saved. You should have saved it under Dropbox, TF Wellness. We'll go to Fitness Professionals. I'll go to Adam. I'll go to Active Clients. I'll go to One-on-One. I'll go to John Marhinke. So if you take a look at all my files, I usually double check and make sure that I've backed up my backup, meaning I save everything as an Excel document, then a PDF. So I make sure I have a backup of my PDF document in case I need to go back and change it. So I'm going to pick this random one right here. You would definitely want to date the program that you're saving so you know which one to upload. I double clicked on it and there it is. Okay, that's an old file, so I'm going to delete it out of there. But once I've uploaded that file, I have it to use out on the iPad on the floor. So this is just a real simple rundown of how to use the Adobe Acrobat file system on the computer to get your programs onto the iPad from the Program Design tool.